Hello, everybody. Today I would like to talk to you about education in Serbia. So in Serbia, we have many universities, not only in the capital city of Belgrade, but also in other cities as well, such as Niš, Novi Sad, Kragujevac, and so on. Universities are very respected. Maybe they're not the highest ranking in the world because we are a small country, but they do offer very high quality classes, courses, and at an affordable price compared to the rest of the world. You can study dentistry and medicine in Serbia in English, as well as some law courses, even economics. So please feel free to do your research about education in Serbia. You will see many different kinds of courses and many different degrees or degree options. So in primary school, we as Serbians must study 2 foreign languages. So when I was young, I had to study English and German, but some other people studied Russian and English, English and Chinese, English and French. It depended on the school and on the wishes of the child, what they wanted to study. They chose their school based on that. If you would like to study in Novi Sad, it's very close to Belgrade. You can go there by train, by bus. So nothing in Serbia is really far. And you can meet a lot of foreigners here. There are people from all over the world, believe it or not, and more are coming each day. We do love to interact and mingle with foreigners, so I believe that you will have a great time here if you decide to choose Serbia as your study destination. I think that is all that I wanted to say now. You should also learn a little bit of Serbian before coming, if you would like to come, simply because it will help you learn other Slavic languages easier in the future then. This is also a great opportunity for you to visit other countries at very low prices. We do have some low budget airline companies here. With a at a very low cost, you will be able to visit other European countries, whether in the West or in the East or Central Europe or wherever. Okay, so now I would like to say all of this in Serbian so that people from my country can understand me as well. Dobro večer svima. U ovom videu, kao što sam obećala, govorim o obrazovanju. U Srbiji rekla sam da mi u osnovnoj školi moramo da učimo 2 strana jezika. U moje vreme učili su se nemački i engleski, ali neki ljudi ili neka deca su učila engleski i ruski, engleski i francuski, engleski i kineski. Zavisilo je to od škole do škole i od želje dece šta su oni zapravo hteli da uče. Obrazovanje u Srbiji je jako bitno i postoje mnogi kursevi koji se predaju na engleskom jeziku, na primjer medicina, stomatologija, ekonomija i tako dalje. Mi volimo strance, to sam rekla, imamo već puno stranaca iz celog sveta ovde, ali očekujemo još više ljudi, tako da kogod želi da dođe može i nije bitno da li studira u Novom Sadu, Beogradu, Kraljevu, jer sve je to blizu, ništa nije daleko, sve u Srbiji je blizu, tako da po jako pristupačnoj ceni moći će ljudi da se školuju ovde na priznatim fakultetima ili u priznatim školama. Eto, to bi bilo to otprilike. Trebate sami da istražujete na internetu gde je koja škola, ne bih da nikoga reklamiram ni u jednom od ovih videa za sada. To bi bilo sve i vidimo se sutra. Prijatan dan vam želim.